把两个钉死你哇
First, loosen these two screw.
别拧松。
Loosen the knife direction to here to this
顶到
screw.
不能放位置。
To the bottom. Make sure bottom. Stable screw.
你就拧就行，不要拧太紧，拧太紧容易滑丝。
Okay. This knife sharp. This direction. Okay. Install.
朝后。
This direction. Find the tank. And stable the ring. You can see knife. This is knife sharp. Knife sharp should go to this direction. Back, go to back. Insert. This is air pressure. Air pressure here. Connect to here. Air pressure. Adjust as before. Value. Change value. Okay. Click cut. Move down. Okay, shut up. Okay. Until this nearby about 10 millimeter. This value set smaller. Okay, set smaller. Until this touch this, that's okay. And click this, that's okay. This is the knife depth have adjusted successfully. This side to back. Okay, draw. Like this, take careful. That's okay. 让卸刀毛给它小心点。切。